Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Hello everybody, welcome to my another new video. I hope you all are doing great. I am also pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. Today I will discuss about sports, but why the delay? So let's go start. Sports are considered as the best exercise. It brings the discipline in our lives. Without sports, human life seems too boring. sports sports keep our body active. It makes immune system strong. It reduces our body fat. As a result we can remain slim. Moreover, it lowers our stress uh, mental stress. For this reason, we can stay happy. It also improves our thinking ability. So we should take part in different sports. That's all for today. Before that, I say for everybody, I will uh, request for everybody that we will perform salat 5 times every day. And this is my request to everybody or everyone. Don't forget perform salat. Thanks for watching me with patience. See you later, inshallah.